What's up, guys? It's your boy, Sammy Breeze again, and today we're gonna do the cross-lock walk tutorial 2, the second variation, the easier variation. Okay, I hope you learned the first variation. That's a little bit more difficult, in my opinion, than this variation. Okay, without further ado, I'll just jump right to it. I'll first explain and then we'll do it together and then you can try. I'll be waiting for your videos. Don't forget, do your videos for yourself. Practice, and yeah, you're gonna get it. You're gonna be doing that. You're gonna be legworking home every day. So, okay, this second variation has a little bit of jump coordination in it. Okay, I don't know if you know this hip hop move, the running man. Okay, or the reject, okay, or the shuffle, and that's a variation of the shuffle. We kind of use it in this move, okay? So, in this variation, if you want to start with your right foot, with the right leg, okay, what you want to do is you jump with the left foot back, and while doing that, you lift your right foot to the front, okay? So you go bend, okay? You saw what I did. I jumped with the left foot behind, and while jumping with the left foot behind, you want to cross the right foot to the front, in case you want to start with the right foot. If you want to start with the left foot, what you do, tell me. Exactly. You jump with your right foot behind and you cross with the left foot to the front. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And after doing that, all you want to do is jump back again with your foot aside. Bam. And then you do the same thing. You jump. If you started with the right foot, you are here, you jump left foot behind, cross right foot to the front, and then you jump back up, and then you do the same thing with the other side, and then you go back again. Okay, you get it? So slowly again, I want to do it from behind. We are starting with the left foot. We want to jump with the right foot behind, and at the same time we want to cross the left foot or to the front. Okay, we go and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. You want to be careful with the count, okay? At first you can do the and 1 and 2. With this variation, it's not that efficient to vary the pace and stuff, because it just has 2 movements, and in the other variation you can really reduce the pace as much and like you want, you know. But if you practice this, I think you may develop your own momentum, your own way of doing it. You may add your own souls, you know. So here again to the front, you start with the right foot. What we do? Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. Start with the right foot, you want to jump with the left foot behind, and at the same time you cross, you lift your right foot up. So basically what you do is ta, okay? Again, ta, and then you go back, you jump back with both foot, okay, to the side, okay? You are back to your same position, and you do the same thing with the opposite leg. Ta, and then you jump back again, ta, and then again, ta, 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 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, ta, ta, ta. This is what you see most people doing. Okay, this is the variation that most people do. I like it, but I don't use it much. But sometimes if I do a choreo and I think it swings it pass more to the beat, to the flow, then I will be doing that. Okay, so again, slowly You want to start with the left foot. It means you jump with the right foot behind. This is the starting position. Okay? You want to jump and then both foot aside, open. Same thing with the other side. You jump behind, and then open, cross, open, cross, open, cross, open, ha, ha. And then you can increase the pace. Ha, 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 ha. Okay? That is it. That is it. That's it. If you want me to do it a little bit more slowly, let me know. In another language, let me know. I will be doing other variations. I will be doing variations of leg walks, the Poco dance, the different variation of the Poco dance, and so on. I will be doing my own movement, and I hope you will enjoy. Stay tuned. It was your boy. It's Amazing Breezy. See you in the next.
All of these